Yes. So now look at here, students. In the division also the three parts are there. That is dividend, divisor, continent. Okay. Now next image is that dividend. After that symbol, how to write the division sums, how to solve, which is the format, right? Which is the format, how to solve the dividend, divisor, continent. Okay, some formulas given to you in this concept. After that, you want to use the formula, and after that, you want to write the numbers, right? So one formula is given to you. Dividend is the inside, divisor is the outside, and main answer is the top side. Main answer is the top side. Now I'm going to explaining you. Everyone write the definition when I'm going to explaining you at the side. Listen properly one side and keep the pencil and pen in your hand. You want to write the definition. You want to write the definition, meaning, because afterwards I'm going to ask you. Okay. So now sum is what? 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2. Okay. So now I'm going to highlight with pencil. 20. 20 is the what? Dividend. So what is mean by dividend? The number being divided. The number being divided. Meaning, keep it mind properly. When you understood the meaning, then only you will able to solve the division sums. Otherwise, you will not able to solve the division sums. Okay. So now, dividend 20 is your what? Dividend. After that, one sign given to you. Again, one number is given to you. That is divisor. Right? A number that will divide the dividend exactly, right? You're going to divide the dividend exactly. This means, that means what? Relation between these two numbers, dividend and divisor. Okay, dividend and divisor. So dividend means what? The number being divided, and the divisor means what? A number that will divided the dividend exactly. That means you want to divide with the dividend only, right? No, not to the continent. And this is third one. Third one is what? It's a main answer. Now tell me, students, in the multiplication, when answer will come, for that answer, one separate name is there. Anyone have idea about that separate name? What is the answer of multiplication? Tell me. Yes, I'm waiting for your answer. What is the answer of multiplication? What is the name of that separate part? Tell me. Anyone have idea? In the multiplication, each part has the separate name, right? Yes. So when answer will come in multiplication, just a second, student. Very nice. Your answer is very absolutely correct. Product. In the multiplication, when answer will come, we have said that product. What? It's a product. Okay. So in the dividend concept, your answer is what? What is the name? What is the specific name of that answer? It's a continent. What? It's a, yes, the result of a division. That means the main answer of a division. Okay. Now next one, look at here, students. Divisible can be divided without a reminder. For example, 20 is divided by 2. Now two types sum given to you here. 20 divided by 2. Your answer is what? 10. Right? In the table of 10, 20 is on number 2. So your answer is what? 10. But different types means 20 divided by 10. In the table of 10, 20 is on which number? 2 number. Is on which number? 2 number. Now go to the next sum. That is 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4. In the table of 4, 20 is on which number? Yes, in the table of 4, 20 is on which number? Yes, is on 5 number. So 4 into 5, 20. Okay, when you're going to do the division, at that time automatically multiplication will come, right? 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Okay, now next 20 divided by 5. In the table of 5, 20 is on which number? In the table of 5, 20 is on which number. Which number? 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. Okay. Clear, everyone. If suppose clear, then type capital yes. If suppose clear, then type capital S. Capital yes. Then I'm going to share you one new page, new slide. Okay. Solving sum. Look at here, everyone. One solving sum I'm going to show you. How to solve the division sums. It is very big digit I'm going to take out, but it's a very easy student. Look at here. First, I'm going to take out here small sum. That is, look at here. 12. 12 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor. 4 is the, just I'm going to change the pen, okay? 12 is the dividend, 4 is the divisor. In the table of 4, 12 is on which number? In the table of 4, 12 is on which number? Yes, tell me. In the table of 4, 12 is on 3 number, right? 4 3s are 12. So do the subtraction. 12 minus 12. 12 minus 12. 0. 12 minus 12. 0. Okay. Yes. So now your answer will come. But divisor and your answer, that means continent. You want to do the multiplication, you want to check it, your answer is correct or incorrect, your answer is right or wrong, you want to check it. So how you will be checked? Do the multiplication. 4 into 3. 4 into 3. Yes. 4 into 3. That is 12. 4 into 3. That is 12. Clear, everyone? Clear? This is the very simple sum, right? This is the very simple sum. Now we are going to take out one hard sum. It is not too hard. Okay. Just a second. I am going to explain you. Look at here. Now 63,000 divided by 6. 63,000 divided by 6. In this number, 63,000 is the dividend and 6 is the divisor. Look at here, already given information. Now how to divide? In the table of 6, 6 is there. In the table of 6, 6 is there. It is there. So 6 ones are 6. 6, 1 is in answer. 6 downside. 6 minus 6, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. So you want to take out the next number downside. You want to take out the next number downside. That is 3. Okay. So tell me now, in the table of 6, 3 is there? In the table of 6, 3 is there? No. So at that time, what you will do? Take the 0. If suppose in the table of that number, means same number is not there, right? Because the divisor is the big and in the dividend that number is very small. So you want to take out the 0. When the small number is there, that means dividend is small and divisor is big, at that time you want to take out the 0. Keep it in mind, okay? When you're solving in exam, at that time you will be get the confusion. Dividend is small and divisor is big. So what to do? How to divide? So don't be get the confused. At that time you want to take out the 0 there. So 0 take. Afterwards 0 3, that means 6 minus 6, 0. 3 you want to take downside. So give the 0 here downside and top side also. Okay. So 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0. What is the answer? 3 minus 0, 3. Okay. And this 0 you want to take down. Next number you want to take down. Okay. First is 0. After 3, which number is there? 0. So you want to take down. In the table of 6, 30 is there. In the table of 6, 30 is there. Yes. 6 5s are 6 5s are 30. So 30 minus 30, what? 0. No need to write 3 minus 3. It is already 0. So write only this 0. And next 0 you want to take downside. Clear? In the table of 6, 0 is not there. So give directly 0, top side also, downside also. Okay. Again 0 will come. 0 minus 0, 0. Again take next 0 downside. Top side also 0 will give. Downside also 0. So 0 minus 0, your answer is 0. Yes, clear everyone. Now we are going to solve one sum on whiteboard. Yes, because it's a little bit confused. Just a second. Okay, ready everyone? Ready everyone? Okay. 3 is the divisor and dividend is what? 128. Okay. 128 is your dividend and 3 is your divisor. Okay. Yes. Now look at here, student. First number, check it 1. Yes, Adarsh, I'm going to explain you again. First number I'm going to highlight, that is 1. Okay. Is 1. So in the table of 3, 1 is not there. So no need to take the 0 directly. Go to the next number, that is 12. So now I'm going to highlight this the number and make it circle to the 12. Look at here. 3 4s are 12. In the table of 3, in the table of 3, 12 is there on the place of 4. So 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So 12 minus 12, what is the answer? 12 minus 12, what is the answer? 0. Now 8 will come down. This 8 will come down. Okay. In the table of 3, 8 is there. Yes, tell me, student, in the table of 3, 8 is there. 8, 8. No. So learn the table. Say the table from your side. Which number will come here now? If suppose same number is not there, so you want to take out the smaller one. You want to take out the smaller one number. So which number will come? 3 2s are 6. Very good. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. That is 2. 8 minus 6. That is 2. We want to do the subtraction. Okay. Clear? Now solving over. But you want to check your answer is correct or incorrect. So how you will be checked? Tell me. How you will be tell me. How you will be checked? I told you divisor and main answer you want to do the multiplication. If suppose you are doing the multiplication and that same number will come. Which number? Same number will come. That means your answer is correct. Clear? So do the multiplication. 42 into 3. 42 into 3. Do the multiplication. Yes. 42 into 3. What is the answer? 42 into 3. Yes, yes. Two numbers are remaining, right? The same number is not there. So this 2 you want to add. This 2 you want to add in this. 126. 126 plus 2. What is the answer? Tell me, student. 126 plus 2. What is the answer? Your answer is correct. Now your answer is correct. Now your answer is correct. Now 128. It is right or wrong? Tell me. Right or wrong? It is right. Okay. Good. Very nice. So now, student, I'm going to share you one image. In this, so much sums given to you. Okay. We want to solve this sum. Look at here. Okay. Now my screen is visible properly. My screen is visible. My screen. Okay. Yes. Now to solve the sums, division sums. Okay. I'm going to share you the whiteboard again. Just a second, student. Okay, now my screen is visible. Yes or no? Visible. Okay. So now the next sum, which I'm going to tick mark. Okay. 36 divided by 4. How you will be solved? 36 divided by 4. Tell me. 36 divided by 4. 36 divided by 4. Solve from your side and give me the answer. 36 divided by 4. I want answer from everyone. 36 divided by 4. Look at it. I'm going to write now. Here only 36 divided by 4. In this both number, 36 is your dividend, 4 is your divisor. In the table of 4, 36 is there. Learn the table. Start. Yes. In the table of 4, 36 is there. If suppose same number is not there, then what you want to do? Tell me. Suppose same number is not there, then take the smaller number. But if suppose same number is there, then what to do? 4 9s are 36, right? 0. 36 minus 36, your answer is 0. 36 minus 36, your answer is 0, right? Now next sum, 10 divided by 2. Yes. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. Everyone solve and tell me the answer. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. Your correct answer is 5. Very good. Very good. Very nice. 10 divided by 2. Your answer is 5. Your answer is 5. Very nice. Good. Now next. Next. Okay. Okay. Ready? Everyone? Now I'm going to do the tick mark which sum you want to solve. Okay. Start. 88 divided by 6. 6 is the divisor. 88 is the dividend. Start. 88 divided by 6. Everyone solve from your side. After that, I'm going to solve it on the whiteboard. Okay. Which number is there? 88 divided by 6. I'm going to share you the whiteboard. 88 divided by 6. Okay. So 6 is the divisor. 88 is your divider. In the table of 6, 8 is there. Yes. So 6 ones are 6. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, 2. Right? Yes. So 8 will come down. 6 fours are. In the table of 6, 28 is there. In the table of 6, 28 is there. No. It is there, na beta. In the table of 6, 28 is there. No. Okay. When same number is not there. So after that, what you will do? Tell me. Tell me what you will do. Very good. Yes. When same number is not there, at that time you want to smaller number. You want to take out the smaller number, right? Yes. So 6 fours are 24. So 28 minus 24. 20. Yes, you want to take out the less number than the given number, right? You want to take out the less number as compared to given numbers. 28 minus 24. Your answer is 4. Now your answer correct or incorrect? How you will be checked? Tell me. It is right or wrong? How you will be checked? Divisor into continent. Divisor into continent plus a remainder. So start 14 into 6. 14 into 6. Do the multiplication. 84, right? 84 plus 84 plus 4. You want to add. This 4 you want to add. So what is the answer? 88. Very nice. Good, good, good. Very good. Clear till here, everyone? Everyone clear? Yes or no? Okay. Good, good. Very nice, beta. Very nice. So clear everyone till here? Okay. So now beta, I'm going to share you one video. Okay. It's related to the division concept. Okay. Look at here.
डाउट्स में अटकते, सब्जेक्ट्स में लटकते, कब तक हम रहेंगे सर पटकते। Vedanta. Hey friends, guess who has come to meet us today?
Yes, Chetna teacher, it is properly audible. Hello. Yes, video properly audible. Audible or visible both. Okay, start.
Day. Jojo the clown. Let us revise the concept of division with him. We know that division is actually repeated subtraction. How? Let us revise with Jojo. Look, he has 12 colorful balloons in his hands. He has to divide them into groups of 3. Therefore, he ties 3 balloons from 12. Now, he is left with 9 balloons in his hand. Again, he ties 3 more balloons from 9. So, he is left with 6 balloons in his hand. One more time, he ties 3 more balloons from 6. He is left with 3 balloons in his hand. He ties the remaining 3 balloons. Oops! He is left with 0 balloons in his hand. When Jojo tied 12 balloons into equal groups of 3, he got 4 groups. Here, he tied the same number repeatedly. We showed this with repeated subtraction. This process of repeated subtraction is called division. We write it as 12, then the symbol of division, then 3. Now put the equal to sign and then the number 4. We read it as 12 divided by 3 is 4. This symbol is used to show division. Look at this solved example on division. Let us learn the terms of division. The number to be divided is called the dividend. Here, the number 12 is the dividend. The number that divides the dividend is called the divisor. Here, the number 3 is the divisor. The answer that we get on dividing the numbers is called the quotient. Here, the number 4 is the quotient. The number that remains after dividing is called the remainder. Here, the number 0 is the remainder. The remainder is always smaller than the divisor. Did you notice? Quotient is equal to the number of times we subtracted. I am sure you remember how to verify whether the answer is correct or not. All we need to do is use the following relation. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So, dividend is equal to 3 into 4 plus 0 is equal to 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. Isn't it interesting? The answer we get is the dividend itself, that is 12. Wasn't that easy to revise with Jojo? And it was fun too.
Yes, students. Everyone watch the video properly. Okay. Everyone. Okay. Good. Now, students, remaining part. Okay.